Azimio leaders Peter Munya and Martha Karua were forced to escape on motorbikes in Meru County after their efforts to lead anti-government protests in the town were intercepted by police officers. Munya, who had been missing from the limelight, had yesterday announced that he will lead the opposition protests in Mount Kenya East and stated that he is firmly behind Azimio leader Raila Odinga. Munya, who was flanked by the NARC Kenya party leader Martha Karua, had intended to launch his opposition politics with the rallies in Meru Town, Mudhara and Maua to address the high cost of living and the rising insecurity in Meru.